Hello everyone, this is Selena.
This is Hallie. We
are close friends. 글로벌 친구.
Today we will be teaching you 3 words how to diss your friends. Let's get started.
Okay, so those 3 words are 음치, 몸치, 박치.
They all end in chi.
치. So 치 is Sino-Korean.
It is a word that's derived from Chinese. I think it is used to mean like someone who is deficient in something. So something deficient. So like someone who is not good at something.
Okay, so the first one is 음치. Okay, means tone. 치 means
Deficient.
so that means
So altogether, tone deficient, tone deaf.
yeah, tone
deaf. It's like, do you have a friend that is tone deaf? We do.
Not me. This one.
Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore.
What? Oh, 음치.
Umchi number 1.
I think it's you, 음치. I can't sing with her, 음치. So let's see who's 음치. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Oh, it was good.
It was terrible.
Okay, what about you?
Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore.
See?
It's so good.
음치 number 1. 음치 number 1 is worse than me. Oh, can't sing with her. The second one is 몸치. 몸 is body. 치 is
Deficient.
okay, so that means
So translating that, we would say someone is Unco.
yeah.
They're uncoordinated. They don't know how to move their body. Momchi. Okay, Selena, can you do this?
Of course, I can do anything.
Like this.
It's easy. You see?
Okay. What about body rolls?
Yeah. That looks easy. Let me try. See?
Momchi.
Last one is 박치. Okay, 박 is from 박자, which means rhythm. 치 is
Deficient?
yeah, so that means
So no sense of rhythm.
okay. Okay, can you follow me?
Okay.
너무 반짝반짝 눈이 부셔. No. Oh, that's too slow.
Okay, I can do it faster.
Okay. 너무 반짝반짝 눈이 부셔. No.
No.
What? 박치. 음치, 몸치, 박치. I think it sounds like it's us.
Yeah.
So sad.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
좋아요와 구독을 눌러주세요. 그러면 다음에
다음에
봐요.
봐요.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.